Struggling to flip delicate fish without it falling apart? Today, I've got the ultimate guide to the 5 best fish spatulas on Amazon that every home cook needs. I'll break down what makes each spatula perfect for flipping, scraping, and serving, plus the pros and cons so you know exactly which one suits your kitchen. Let's get cooking. Number 1. Overall best pick, Wusthof Gourmet Slotted Spatula. I've been using the Wusthof Gourmet 6.5-inch offset slotted spatula for a few weeks now, and it's quickly become my go-to kitchen tool. The offset design makes flipping delicate fish and eggs effortless without scratching my non-stick pans. The stainless steel is sturdy, yet thin enough to slide under food easily, and the handle feels comfortable and balanced in hand. Cleanup is simple since it's dishwasher safe, which is a huge plus. The only drawback is that it's a bit pricey compared to other spatulas, but the quality and durability make it worth the investment if you cook often and want a reliable, professional-grade tool. Number 2. My second best pick, Miyu Fish Spatula Stainless Steel. I recently picked up the Miyu Fish Spatula, upgraded version, and it's been a game-changer in my kitchen. The stainless steel is flexible yet strong, making it easy to slide under delicate fish fillets or pancakes without breaking them. I love that it's corrosion-resistant and polished, so it stays looking clean and shiny even after frequent washing. The handle feels comfortable and offers good control while cooking. My only minor issue is that the spatula is slightly thin, so it can bend too much if you're flipping heavier foods. Overall, it's an excellent, affordable tool for anyone who cooks fish or delicate dishes regularly. Number 3. My third best pick, Stainless Steel Fish Spatula Set. I recently bought the Stainless Steel Fish Spatula Set, and it's made cooking delicate foods so much easier. The set includes a large and a small spatula, both with ultra-thin edges that slide effortlessly under fish, pancakes, and even omelets. The ergonomic non-slip handles provide excellent grip and control, making flipping and serving precise and stress-free. I also appreciate that they're dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. The only downside is that the metal can feel a bit stiff initially, so it takes a little getting used to when handling very delicate foods. Overall, this set is a solid, versatile addition to any kitchen. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Metal Spatula Griddle Accessory Set. I recently got the Metal Spatula Griddle Accessory Set, and it's been a solid addition to my kitchen and grill setup. The set includes a flat spatula, scraper, and flipper, all made of sturdy metal that feels commercial grade. The spatula slides easily under pancakes, burgers, and other foods on my flat-top griddle, while the scraper makes cleanup fast and efficient. The handles are comfortable and provide a good grip even when cooking at high heat. The only downside is that the metal edges can feel a bit sharp, so you need to handle them carefully. Overall, this set is durable, versatile, and perfect for anyone who grills or uses a griddle regularly. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, OXO Good Grips Stainless Steel Fish Turner. I've been using the OXO Good Grips stainless steel fish turner for a few weeks, and it's quickly become my favorite spatula in the kitchen. The thin, flexible stainless steel edge makes flipping delicate fish and omelets effortless, while the wide surface provides excellent support for larger items. I really appreciate the comfortable non-slip handle. It feels secure even when my hands are wet. Cleanup is simple since it's dishwasher safe, which feels good. The only minor drawback is that the metal can feel a bit stiff when handling very thin fillets, requiring a little extra care. Overall, it's a reliable, high-quality tool that's well worth the investment for anyone who cooks fish often. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite fish spatula? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're writing with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.